How to fix Zangi app not opening. Alright, so your Zangi app is being stolen and won't open. Super annoying, but don't worry, you can usually fix this pretty quickly. Let's run through some easy troubleshooting steps. First things first, have you tried just restarting your phone? I know it sounds basic, but trust me, it solves a lot of a problem. Turn it completely off and wait for a second and then turn it back and give it a Zangi a try. So what you have to do is simply restart it just like this and restart your mobile phone. Let me know if that worked or not. And second thing is you can check your internet connection. Zangi needs internet to work, obviously. So make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or have a strong mobile data signal. For that, try opening this one right over here and just take it up. If these two things, that is Wi-Fi and mobile data, is turned on or not. And third option is clear the cache. Sometimes old data gets stuck and cause the problems. Let's clear the Zangi cache. For that, simply tap on the app and go to app info, which is the first option. Simply tap on it. That will take you to the app info. Now simply scroll down and there you can see an option called storage and cache. Simply tap on it. And now you will be seeing an option for clear cache, which is right over here. Simply tap on it. And it's been cleared. And it's a reminder, clearing the cache won't delete your messages. Now try opening your Zangi once again, and if this is also not working, what you can do is update the app. Updated apps can be buggy. Head over to App Store or the Google Play Store. You can see my Google Play Store right over here. Simply tap on it and search for Zangi over here. Tap on it. So the version I'm using is an updated one, and in your case, if there's an update available, do update it. It may work too. And if none of the app will work, you might need to reinstall the Zangi. This means deleting the app and then downloading it again from the App Store or Google Play Store. This will delete your local data, so keep that in mind. Hopefully, one of these steps got Zangi working for you. If you are still having issues, let me know in the comments below and we can try to figure it out together. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.